Hello mga kapropa, good morning. Babalik ako para magbigay sa inyo ng bagong video about how you can sow or plant your seeds from succulent Nova. Ngayon, what we would need would be of course a pot where we'll propagate yung CNS mix. It can be 80-20, even 50-50 is okay. Depende sa types ng succulent na itatanim niya. Of course, leaf tops would require lower organic, and yung succulent can go higher. Sedums and grapto, kahit na mataas yung organic, much better para mas mabilis lang lumaki. Ngayon, so first thing that you need to do is yung pangatlagay nyo ng CNS mix. So fast forward, ganito magiging itsura niya. Ayan, you need to leave at least I think 1 cm sa taas para meron tayong paglagyan ng fine organic, which is a bit different dun sa lumang video ko. So once na fill nyo siya ng CNS mix nyo, you can then filter in yung mga organic sa taas this way, or pwede nyo siyang i-direkta kasi meron kayong sterilized na coco peat or vermicast. Ayan, pwede siyang diretso sa taas. By the way, at this point, bago nyo ilagay yung organic, pwede kayo magdagdag ng cinnamon kasi meron siyang mga antimicrobial things like antifungal and pang ano din sa langgam, and so ayan. So kailangan nyo lagyan ng, let's say, cinnamon if you opt to use it. Lagyan nyo ng organic, takpakin nyo maigi, then i-flat nyo yung taas before you put in the seeds. Now, ang magiging itsura niya is something like this. So organic sa taas, flat, then sa baba is yung CNS mix nyo. You can go thinner sa organics, no? Medyo napadami lang dyan. As long as may contact sa seeds na pure organic. Ngayon, once it's done, ito yung next step. I-water nyo from either sa ilalim by bottom watering, or water nyo sa taas. Once you're done making the soil moist, ilagay nyo siya dyan, let it sit para yung mga excess water is mag-drain down. Then lagay nyo yung seeds afterwards. Once nalagay nyo na yung seeds, ayun na, you close it sa loob ng ziplock tag. Once it's inside the ziplock, I would suggest at least 3 weeks wag nyo bubuksan. It will keep the humidity high, and para hindi lang kayo mist ng mist, kasi pansin ko sa akin, kaka-mist ko, na-contaminate yung iba kong soil, nagkaroon siya ng algae and mold. So as much as possible, 3 weeks walang bukasan, whether may sprout siya or wala, huwag nyo siyang bumuksan. 4th week onwards, pwede nyo i-acclimate na kapag nag-sprout na siya. 4 weeks after nung first na nag-sprout. So you can start like a quarter of the way, and then half nakabukas, and then going all the way up hanggang fully acclimate na siya. Sa akin, I think it took 2 weeks para mabuksan ko siya ng ganyan. So I think every 3 days dinadagdagan ko siya kasi nagmamadali ako para meron tayong updates. Based on my experience, Echeveria or Echeveria would take up to like 5 weeks para magkaroon ng true leaves. Yung initial sprout niya, if you saw my pictures, yung initial sprout niya is I think about about ganito lang kalaki, yung dulo ng fork. And nag-open ako ng container when it was this big, ganito na kalaki. Which I think is the most or the best time to open your container kapag ganyan na siya kalaki. Kapag ganyan siya kalaki, medyo pansin ko na-stunt yung growth nung seeds ko kasi nawalan siya kagad ng humidity. But it's up to you. Kasi ang problema naman kapag na-late ka ng bukas is baka mag-damp off siya. Which of course cinnamon would help with. Damping off kapag sobrang na moist na soil or hindi niya siya kagad natanggal sa humidity. If it's litops, as soon as nag-sprout sila lahat, then ayun, pwede niyo siyang buksan and iwanan yung bukas. You don't need to water it until nag-dry na talaga lahat ng soil. Mas ano siya, mas drought tolerant siya, and mas ayaw niya yung basa palagi yung soil. I think that covers it na ngayon. So for those that bought the batch with Ame, Clava, Ruben, ang pinakauna nag-sprout sa akin is yung Ruben at saka yung Ame. Ruben, from the picture yesterday, meron akong 2, 3. Then Ame, I think I saw around 5 or 7 kaninang umaga. I'll post a picture mamaya siguro ng gabi para maganda yung or mas madami yung makita natin nag-germinate. Hopefully yung cover ko, which I won't remove immediately, will not cover the seeds and makita natin sila lahat. Bago humaba yung video, I'll cut it na. Again, salamat sa pag-watch and pag-purchase sa aming shop. Click order received kapag na-receive nyo siya kasi we're reusing the money para makapag-purchase tayo agad from our supplier overseas. It takes some time bago dumating yung stocks natin. So if you are online, when you receive your seeds, please push yung order received. We're open for reviews naman, so you could post your reviews either sa Shopee or sa Facebook page namin. Please provide us updates. Magandang tulong sa amin yun since nag-check tayo ng best tips or best ways para mag-propagate. Haba na naman. Sige na, bye na. And again, thank you from the Succulent Nova family. Bye.